The Mystery Writers Ambassador Plan works like this. We've divided the United States into more than 3,000 distinct territories. And as a way of promoting our books, we're offering one, and only one, person or library the opportunity to become a Mystery Writers Ambassador for each of those zones. Each ambassador will receive 10% on all sales from our online stores that are shipped into his or her territory. Ambassador memberships are divided into 6 levels. Level 1 defines communities with less than 25,000 people, while Level 6 describes metropolitan areas with populations of more than 1 million. For a limited time only, 1-year ambassadorships are available for free with the purchase of a starter set of Mystery Writers books. For example, a Level 1 ambassadorship is free with the purchase of a 6-book starter set that costs less than $30. And if you don't need books, the 1-year Level 1 membership costs just $17.95. Not surprisingly, larger territories cost more, but they also have greater earning potential. If the ambassador plan works for you, it's renewable. If you have second thoughts, your purchase is refundable. And you don't need a credit card to reserve your territory. To check availability and to review the details, visit MysteryWritersFriends.com and reserve your territory before somebody else does.